就他们。
报报。呼。必须！来，林总，来拍我，拍我！啊，How are you？
Just now you see, we let a very fit guy just stand up on the capstone. So you can see he just jump on the capstone. But you can see now, after he give the very big pressure and jump on the capstone. You know, the capstone is the same as before. No damage, no crack. Wow, it's so nice. The cobblestone is so nice. So this location is what he jump on. No crack, no damage. Then it's because the density of this cobblestone is very huge, and you can see from the cobblestone the size of the surface of the size of the cobblestone. It's very smooth and how to say, it's very tight and with very high density, very good compressor pressure. Okay, fine. You see now the density of the capstone. The compressor is the PSI of this particular capstone is very, very huge. You see, it's like the rock. It just looks like a rock, not a blocks. I want to show you more different location and different view, so you can see this QT10-15 block making machine produce cobblestone blocks with what kind of compressor, and also